So this week we're talking about propane systems. Majority of RVs today, trailer-wise, have 2 propane tanks. They're coming through with 30-pound tanks and 20-pound tanks on your trailers. RVs are a little bit different. The drivable RVs usually have ASME tanks that can range in sizes. And we'll discuss that in another video. Propane regulators. If you have more than one tank, there's a really good chance you're going to have what's called an automatic changeover regulator. And I wanted to do this video now because it's a good example of showing you how they work. So the automatic changeover regulators work off of pressure. Depending on which tank you've selected as your primary tank. This one's pointing towards this inlet. And this inlet comes up and it goes through, goes to the other tank on the other side of the RV. And this inlet comes down and comes off of this tank. The other tank is empty. And that's why this indicator, this glass indicator window is now red. And that's telling me that the other tank is empty. The pressure's dropped enough with the valve automatically switched over. The pressure coming out of this tank is taking over and it pushes the valve closed the other way. It's like a flapper almost. So now, even though it's drawing from this tank, this is going to stay red until you change the indicator, and then it went green. Some models, it'll go red to just clear. So not all of them will read green. So when you're doing this, both tanks have to be open. And when you open your propane tanks, you should always open them completely. Either all the way on or all the way off. That way the valve and the seals will seal properly inside the valve. Now that I've changed this over to green and changed this over to, this is the primary side that it's feeding from, now all I have to do is go over, shut off the valve completely on the other tank. I can disconnect it and go and have it filled. Then hook it back up, turn your valve all the way on. Then once this tank is empty, it will automatically change over and start drawing off the other tank. And I can repeat the process. So this week we do a little challenge. In the comments on this post on the Facebook page, the first comment to tell me how many regulators are on a fifth wheel will win a multimeter that I have, and I will have it, and we will get it shipped out to you. Good luck.